Several Politikos became extra sweet for their loved ones on Valentine's Day. Cabinet Secretary Karlo Nograles is thankful every day for wife Marga. Newly married Cavite Vice Governor Jolo Revilla shared the sweet post with his wife Angelica Alida. Actress Dawn Solweta, the wife of former Davao del Norte Representative Lagdameo, shared their family Valentine's Day photo on Instagram. Senator Richard Gordon has this to say to wife Catherine. It was a date at the gym for Senator Nancy Binay and husband Jose Benjamin Angeles. Binay stresses, Senators Sonny Angara and Coco Pimentel also showed their affection on Valentine's Day.